This dual 12-inch sub setup is way too loud. NVX NPKG212 bass test. Let's be real, your bass setup ain't cutting it, and deep down, you know it. You're out here hoping for chest-thumping, rearview-rattling sound, but your system's got all the punch of a wet marshmallow. Whether you're rolling up to a car meet or just commuting with tunes, your ride deserves better. Maybe you've tried mixing and matching subs, boxes, and amps, only to end up overwhelmed and underwhelmed. Too many cables, too much tuning guesswork, and still no satisfying boom. You're not just frustrated, you're officially in bass limbo. You want clean, powerful, seat-shaking low-end. But so far? It's been all hype, no thunder. And that weak bass? It's slowly killing your vibe. Every time you hit play, you're reminded of the money you sunk into a setup that can't even outbass your grandma's Bluetooth speaker. You've lost count of how many Sunday afternoons you've spent rewiring things like a desperate audio surgeon. Missed meetups, blown fuses, fried subs. And let's not forget that one time you almost smoked your head unit. The pressure to get it right is real, and the clock's ticking. While you're cruise bumpin and flexin, you're still tweaking gains and watching YouTube tutorials. It's not just about bass anymore, it's about pride. Enter the NVX NPKG212, the plug-and-play beast you've been waiting for. This bad boy doesn't just come with dual 12-inch subwoofers. It comes with everything you need to go from meh to move over, in one box. We're talking 1000 watts peak power, 500 watts RMS, and a Class D monoblock amp with all the bells and whistles, bass boost, low-pass crossover, subsonic filter, you name it. The CNC-crafted ported MDF enclosure is engineered for deep, clean bass with zero guesswork. Just wire it up, mount it in, and prepare for liftoff. No complicated tuning. No mismatched gear. Just instant, effortless boom. So what's the vibe after you hit that first drop? Pure sonic bliss. Deep, resonant bass that doesn't just fill the car, it owns it. The remote bass knob? Genius. Crank it from your seat depending on your mood, subtle and smooth for jazz, aggressive and punchy for trap. Whether you're driving solo or showing off to friends, this setup adapts and delivers. It's universally compatible with factory and aftermarket systems, so there's no need for rewiring your entire life. NVX didn't just create a subwoofer package, they built your next obsession. Bass that hits hard, clean, and confidently, no tuning anxiety required. Ready to stop settling and finally feel your music? Now's the time. Thousands of car audio lovers already made the switch, and their rides are louder, smoother, and way more fun for it. The NVX NPKG212 is flying off shelves because it's that rare combo. Pro-level performance, beginner-level setup. No guesswork, no gimmicks, just pure, road-ready sound. Don't overthink it. Don't scroll past it. This setup is your shortcut to audio heaven, and it's only a click away. Act fast before it's gone. Supplies limited, demand is bonkers, and trust us, your ears, and your ego, will never want stock audio again. Let's go.